Just a few maintenance and preventative maintenance items here on the Poultry Hawk to keep you up and running smoothly. Every 6 months or so, you'll want to put a couple pumps of grease in the 2 swivel pins to make sure they stay lubricated and operating smoothly. Also in that same time frame, you'll want to check your battery connections to make sure there's no corrosion and that the terminals are tight. Also the battery, you'll want to check the fluid level to make sure that the fluid isn't getting below the cells and that it's staying topped off, and that'll keep your battery maintained. Also, something you want to keep track of along is that any hardware isn't coming loose and you have any kind of issue like that, especially the drive wheel. Just keep an eye, is it running smoothly, is something wobbly, is it something coming off? So just kind of keep an eye on all your areas of operation to make sure nothing is coming loose. For keeping the Poultry Hawk clean, the best way to do it is just simply blowing it off and then maybe using a little hand brush to knock any heavy areas off. And that really makes sure that water doesn't get into specifically the control panel area. If you do want to rinse it off, that is okay to do from time to time. Just make sure that these connections are tight here and that water doesn't easily get into the panel. After rinsing it off with low pressure, you just want to check your panel to make sure that there isn't moisture in the panel before you go back to running. There's not a lot to maintaining and keeping up the Poultry Hawk, but a little tender love and care will go a long ways in making sure you have a good and pleasant Poultry Hawk experience.